Boys and girls, I just got this lathe from Bolton tools, literally off the truck. It's the BT1640DW-3, three-phase. I know the camera sucks, just bear with me. So far it's all greasy, but that's okay. That comes with cleaning. But there's a little damage here to the chuck cover, but who knows if that's going to stay. See the bang, and it's a little tweaked over there, but that's from the shipping company. But no big deal. Oh, it comes with the chuck, but it comes with a nice quick change. Some stuff, I'm just exhausted. So it's like 1,800 pounds and pretty substantial. Let's check this out. Everything seems to be a little gritty, but oh, nice and smooth. The but whatever that is right now. That's it. Look how tight that is. Oh, better than expected. Nice little oiling ports. Seems like the ways and everything are okay, but dirty. I suck with the camera, so yeah, it comes with a DRO, quick change, post. Man, I'm fucking beat up. Sorry, excuse the language, but that's what you're gonna get right now. And of course they bolt it. Okay, good. Well, this is just a general review, more or less, to document the condition of this, to make sure that everything's copacetic. Indicator table. This is, it shows imperial, metric, module. Probably saying that wrong, in DP, whatever that is. So, it's nice though. Let's see what the speeds are. I forgot what the speeds were. So, looks like 1810. We can solve that problem. Nice little jog button. Comes with oil in the headstock and gears. Look at that. I'll use that to break it in and then do the change of oil change. Right down. Nice. This one's a little loose. But this one, the cross slide, and this, the tailstock, is nice and tight on the, but real smooth. Holy crap. Nice little light. Oh, son, you. Chuck. Well, yeah, I even got that. the micro stop. That's nice, carriage stop. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, change gears, and for the other chuck I got over there, I guess. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Oh, reducer. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's actually nice. I was expecting something a lot cheaper. Sorry about the camera, but deal with it. If you want to complain about it, you can come here and do it. Huh. Nice. Dead center. Ah, fuck, I'm gonna put that out. Yeah, the typical stuff. Put the chuck. Paperwork. Yes, it's a 400. I know this one's the 16, so it's 400, not the 14. I'll go through that after. Missing that. That's nice. Let's check this shit out, shall we? Oh, it's one of those. Oh yeah, 2-inch bore. I'll take a measure to it. Oh, it's fiberglass. Look at that. That's good. Huh. So, all right. I guess I'll have to read. Okay. Oh, here's the pieces. The DROs. El motor. Let's see. I know it's 3-phase, but I forgot. Oh, here we go. It says 3 horsepower. Comes with the cord. I'm trying to read. I can't read. Sorry. That's a 1727 RPM motor. 3 horsepower. Yep. Yeah. Look at that. Actually comes with its own cord. Yay! This stuff. Ah, crap. I guess I'm gonna have to read. But, oh, that's something. Oh, what's these? Oh, the tailstock Morse taper for the drill chuck. It's loose. Well, looks like actually they did a decent job. Gotta put a bunch of that shit together. Overall, I think it's a good job. Of course, that's a splash guard and stuff that I forgot that it was gonna fall. Oh, what's this? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Well, yeah, that's tight too. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Good size. What size did they say? 250-300. Sorry if it's not clear, but it says 250-300. All right. They gave that. They gave this one and a spare. But obviously we're gonna have to get more because 2 holders are never enough. And the quality is okay. I'll just upgrade it. And I got the 4-post. Check it out. Check it out. It's all greasy. Sorry, oiled. Some people gonna complain about nothing. Head injuries are not fun, guys. 4-post. It's actually pretty decent. A little rough on the finish. This is nice, but over here it's rough. But you know what? I'm not gonna complain. It's nice, and I'll just deal with it. This is the left hand side, and there's the safety switch for the foot brake. I know what that is. That's the junction for that. With the foot brake. Get one, kind of 2 shelves. You can always make a shelf in there to protect the shaft. And this one. This one doesn't have any access to from the front, but from the back you do. And let's try that. Yeah, much better. It's a little surface rust, but that's the pump for the coolant. There's all the shit in there, but I'll deal with it then when I get more. And this is the 4-jaw that they sent. #1 quality. Not bad. So this one's the independent. I guess that one's the scroll. Yeah, it must be. Oh no, oh, not bad on the. Yeah, you can see the line for the bed, but it's gonna forever stay there, so I'm not too concerned. So far so good. A little bit leakage, but what do you expect? It's about an 8-inch. Well, it would have been nice if it was a wider bed, but so far so good. Everything's stiff, but that's okay. I'll it's probably locked down, maybe. I don't know, but I'll fuck with that later. It's dirty, but not bad. This is for the headstock. Down 6 down to 4. I'll just spare. Oh, inside jaws. Oh, okay. Oh, no big deal. I'll screw around with it. Okay, well, I'm going to end that for now. Gotta get it in the garage. So, toodaloos.